all know how to copy in Excel, don't we? Well, maybe not the easiest way. So if I want to calculate the total price, I simply multiply the quantity by the price. And then when I drag to copy down, sometimes this is where the problem starts. We can very easily overrun if we're not paying attention, and then we have to back up. And, oh, missed it again. And there we go. Easy. Maybe not. Let's try that again. So, quantity times the price. And now we just go to the little box at the bottom right of the cell and double click. Isn't that much better? Another tip next week.